Hey guys, got a very important update here. This is the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, the GBTC. Now it has already broke down. This market has already broke down and is a leading indicator telling us that Bitcoin will break down. Look at this, guys. This is very important information. So a couple other things to note. Look at this gap. Look at the gap right here. This gap is huge in this volume profile. We have to respect this. Look at this gap here. Look at this gap right down here. This gap could get filled, guys. The altcoin market is telling us that these altcoins want to run. The altcoins look like they want to do this, and Bitcoin looks like they want to do this. So until that changes, guys, these dips could be buying opportunities in the altcoin market. The Grayscale has broke down, and it's probably good to look for shorts in Bitcoin.